Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey, what's up, 1428 family? It's Dondre Brown, here to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. Back dropping investment videos. It is so great to be back on here dropping some videos talking about the stock market. But before I jump in, make sure you go subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow me on social media. And again, those likes help out the channel. But more importantly, throw some comments in the comment section. Let me know how your week or last few days have been going in the stock market. I'm going to show you what I've been going through, but it has been a very interesting week, if not a few weeks in the stock market. Had some highs, had some lows, and right now I'm just trying to reanalyze and reevaluate my strategy and plan. But let's jump in. So as always, I like to show you where I am in investing. Right now, I am down $1,500 today and it just changed to $250 after hours. If you were down in the market like I am, let me know in the comment section. But if you're up, what penny poppers, what growth stocks, what stocks are you playing that's allowing you to stay up? Because it's been a really, look at that, a really red few days in the market. Of course, depending on your investment strategy, this is opportunity to buy. You're getting some of the stock at a discounted rate. And this is an opportunity to reconsider your profits. Do you take profit now, right? And do you jump back in as it goes back up? So thinking about when is the best time to take profit. I know a lot of people struggle with that. One of the things that I've learned, 10%. Take your profit at 10%. A profit is a profit is a profit. Anything after that, again, you can adjust it to 20 or 30%, right? And when I say, let's show you what I mean by that. So let's use TNXP as an example, right? So if you look at my today return, you'll see that I'm down $144, and then I've lost $8.45%, right? When you look at total return, I am up 26.73%. Technically, I should take my profit and keep it pushing, right? Because a profit is a profit is a profit. Or put a stop loss in to where I'll, at the end of the day, get kicked out once I reach 10%, right? So I will be taking away 10% profit no matter what happens if it drops that low. So again, that's a strategy for you. Again, 10% is your safe strategy. If you want to be a little bit more riskier, I'll say 30% is a good percentage too, where you're thinking about your profit. But that's what I mean by considering taking profit. So think about that. The other thing is, again, like I said, you can just take a look at a lot of my plays. They are down, which is fine because, again, this is an opportunity to average some costs down. I'm in a little crypto. But what I really wanted to focus on today is some of the stock that are impacted by what's going on in Texas. So we already know that there was the ice storm, power outages, just so many things that hit the state of Texas to where you should consider certain stock as it pertains to Texas. So what I did was I got a list of stock that are directly impacted by Texas. More importantly, it's electric and generation companies, right? So the companies that impact the generators as well as the electric company. So the first one I want to bring to your attention is GNRC, Generic Holdings, right? This company is in charge of creating power generators. I may do a quick walkthrough through the website if we have enough time in this video. But again, this is a company that I really think you should add to your watch list, because right now you see it's down 26 bucks, right? It's down $26. But if you check out even this article right here, the CEO says demand for power generators is high. We can't make them fast enough, right? So that may mean two things. One, I tell people, do your due diligence, research these companies more, right? Literally after this video, go in and learn a little bit about these companies. You want to be able to understand what does that mean, because right now there's a sale, right? Because it's going down. So that could mean that that's not good for that company, or demand being high could mean that this company will bounce back up. but you have to do your due diligence to see what that looks like. So it's nothing but going to their website, going into the news, going into Yahoo Finance, and really digging into what is impacting this company. If this company is down, let's take a look at how it's done in a week. Down $11, up $52, right? Up $112, and over the year up $225. So this company has definitely been a company that has been on a run up. Not even within the last year, just within the last month, it's up 18%. But more importantly, the direct impact of this company is creating generators, because we already know not only is that going to impact Texas now, it's going to impact them for the future as we look at this high demand. So I would say add it to your watch list. Consider jumping in. The 52-week low was $75. The 52-week high was $364, and it's currently sitting at $336. The other thing you can do is check out what the presidency, the administration is saying about some of these companies. Are they trying to help out some of these companies? Are there grants or any dollars going in to support some of these companies? Again, do your due diligence. The other company, ticker symbol PPSI, Pioneer Power Solutions. This company engages in manufacturing, sale, and distribution of on-site power generators as well. This is another company. So if you want to invest in a company that's cheaper, $7, right? This is a company you should consider. Another thing to keep in mind. So right now, not only are these stock down, the entire market is down. But if you go and look at what's going on in Texas, some of them are getting their power back, right? Some of them are getting their electricity and energy back. So you may want to really, really consider when you get into these plays. You don't want to jump in when it's on a downtrend and then you're caught holding a bag. You don't want to do that. So again, do your due diligence. The other company, NRG Energy. This company, let's check out stocks fall. The stocks is dropping 25%. This company engages in the production, sale, and distribution of energy and energy services. This is another company. Let's see right here. The retail segment includes mass customers and business solutions and other distribution of reliable products. The corporate segment includes residential, solar, and electronic vehicle services. This is another company that you may want to consider as you think about maybe even a long-term hold, because it is an energy stock. But again, I'm saying this by saying it's going to be important that you do some of your due diligence. And then finally, the last company, ticker symbol VST. Vista. This company is actually up. It's only up 0.61%, but you can tell by this chart right here that it's had some movement in the market. It started out, where did it start out? Around 20 something, has some dips, and then ended almost where it started. This company, let's go check them out. It engages in provision of electricity and power generation as well. So again, this is another company you want to consider. Where is it sitting at? $23.25. How's it been doing? It took a huge jump around $22. This was in February. These are companies you should consider, but you may also consider doing trade options. I don't know if you're familiar with trade options, but you could essentially do a put on some of these. And for me, again, I'm going through trade options training. So I'm learning about some of these, and I'm actually going to be considering putting a put on some of these companies, because some of these already had their run up, and you can expect gravity to pull on these, and you expect them to dip. So I may want to win on a dip in some of these companies. But I say all that to say, I hope things are continuously getting well in Texas, right? The natural disasters that we go through, right? We expect that we are going to bounce back from them. Companies usually are lost, they go bankrupt, but then also companies are able to thrive in these situations, right? They may have some downturn, but then are able to thrive. You as the investor has to consider, how do you engage with those companies? Do you leave them alone? Do you invest in them expecting them to go up? Do you do trade options expecting them to continue to decrease in price? As the investor, put yourself in investor mindset. How would you engage in this company to either support it, invest in it, receive profit, whatever your goal is? But I'll end the video on that because it sounds like y'all have some homework to do. But in the comment section, let me know if you got in any of these plays, how it's been going for you, or are there other stock that we should consider as we think about Texas coming to a place where things are getting better for them, power's getting turned back on, things like that. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, notification button, follow me on social media. And if you like this video, best believe you're going to see me in the next one. Peace.